Hello again. Today we have another video. Today we have a Redmi 7 from Xiaomi. So this is the new cheap version of Redmi 7 Pro, and this is the global version of the phone. And just cut this foil, and we're just gonna open the box for you. So this is the cheapest phone probably except the Redmi Go, and it's cost around £92, which is quite great. So today we have a Redmi 7 Lunar Red. So it's quite an interesting color with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of intermemory. Also we have right here 626 inch HD plus with a dot drop display with a 19:9 aspect ratio right here. We got also a Snapdragon 632, so it's gonna be very efficient. And also we have a 4000 mAh battery, and you should last like a 2-day battery left. And also we have a dual camera, so it's a 12 megapixel plus another 2 megapixel rear dual camera, and it's another 8 megapixel for the selfie camera. And also this phone support 2+1 card slot design, which it supports up to 512 gigabytes of expandable storage, so it's quite great. I don't know why they haven't put a micro SD card on Mi 9. So just gonna open the box. Okay, gonna leave this for a moment here. So let's see what do we have in the box. Okay, so this is the pin, and well, something useless. And I can see they put an silicone case, and let's just open it. Okay, I'm not the fan of this silicone case because they are like a magnet for the fingerprints, if you can see, but it's not white anymore, so it's just like a blackish. Okay, so look, this is the phone, Redmi 7. Wow, and I like the color. Wow, it's looking very nice. I'm gonna leave the phone for a moment, and let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, we got the USB cable right here, and far I can see it's not USB type C. Well, and we got the adapter right here. Nothing right on it. Yeah, we got here, so you can see properly. Yes. Okay, and now we're just gonna see the phone. Wow, this lunar red color, it's quite interesting. And let's take this one off. Wow, it's looking amazing. Wow, look at this. Such a nice color. It's amazing. And also we're gonna take off the other one. It's a dot drop notch right here. And let's start the phone. Okay, so probably we got here the SIM tray 2+1, which is amazing. Probably it's coming with an infrared on the top, and the jack audio, and the volume up and down, and the power button, and the dual camera right here, 12+2, and the flash, and also the fingerprint, the sensor on the back, and the speakers, and the USB. So this is the MIUI 10 right here. We're gonna go quick through the settings, English, and let's find UK. One moment. Come on, where are you, UK? Okay, United Kingdom right here. and let's move on. Skip for the moment. Okay, not at the moment. Use location, I don't want. Send, I don't want again. Just basic at the moment. So we can set up the fingerprint, we can choose a pattern, and remember your password. Got it. Let's do a simple one and try again, confirm. And now you're gonna say to register our fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this will be. Okay, again, let's choose the default one, and the setup is completed. Okay, we just start the phone now. This phone is weight like 180 grams. It's not that heavy. Plastic, of course. The screen to body also for this phone it's like 86.3%, and the display use Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and even if you use it for without the screen protectors, it should be alright. And also high capacity battery, it's 4000 mAh battery, and it's using the power optimization to bring you longer last charging. Okay, and it's still loading the apps. Also the phone is coming with the Snapdragon 632 processor, and should be like great for battery efficiency, and you can use it also for gaming. It's coming with Adreno 506 GPU, and it should be alright. Also on the back we got dual camera 12 megapixel with 125 large pixel, and it's got some AI powered on the background right there, and you've got also smart recognition of 27 scenes for real-time photo optimization. And this is the phone. It's looking quite nice for, don't forget, just 92 pounds, which is like 120 euros, 130 euros. Nothing. It's coming with Google and the basic MIUI, of course. We got a small launcher on the left side right here, security, and some shortcuts. Also, let's go through the settings a bit about the phone, and its device name, it's REDMI. You can change the name, and Android security patch. The last one was on 1st of February. This is the MIUI 10. CPU, it's an octa-core, up to 1.80, RAM 3 GB. We got also internal storage, 22 gigabytes left. It's quite taken like 10 gigabytes, but like I said, you can put another 500 gigabytes of storage. You got on this little drop notch here, you got an 8 megapixel camera, and for the selfie, of course. It's coming also with face unlock, but depends where you are. You should not be able to use it. Sometimes you just have to use the region. So fingerprint, set screen lock, and see, we don't have here until you change the region. You go to wake, lock screen for notification, launch camera, advanced settings. Let's see, on lock settings. I don't see the face unlock, so you just have to change on language your region so you can see the face unlock, so you can register your face. Also on this phone you can shoot a selfie, just putting your hand in the front of the phone, and then the phone just gonna take you the photo. Battery again, power, and we got the storage right here, 22 giga left. The system is taking like an 8 giga of storage. So it's quite an interesting phone right here. Let's see the camera quick. Hello. We got an AI camera. HDR. Okay, I do have something here so we can shoot. HDR should be on auto, AI also, and let's shoot again. Okay, let's open allow. Okay, well, it's not bad for a cheap phone, if I can say, so it's quite alright. This should be like a second phone to keep with you all the time, and it's a Xiaomi phone, so probably it's gonna be good for the battery life also. Let's go quick on the camera sounds, pocket mode. It's this time on photo watermark, and shoot, scan QR, mirror front camera frame, picture quality on high, fingerprint shutter. Okay, and let's see on video also. Let's go quick on settings again. So it's filming up to its full HD on 30 frames per second, and we got also full HD on 60 frames per second. Let's have a look. It's moving quite alright. We don't have here like a wide camera, telephoto, nothing. It's just but it's going quite smooth, very smooth. Yeah, it's quite interesting for such a cheap phone, to say this. And remember, this is not the Redmi 7 Pro, this is just Redmi 7. It's coming with the Google apps, of course, tools like usual for Xiaomi, and FM radio, scanner, of course, settings, and it's coming of course with Mi remote, so you can connect on all your devices in the house, which is quite nice. Also you got Wi-Fi, you've got the GPS, you've got 4G fingerprint, and fast battery charging, 10 watts, and it's coming also in 3 colors. Let's have another look on the back of this phone. Wow, look at this, and look how many prints on the back right here. Quite a lot. So you're gonna have to use case, but not a silicone case. I always choose to have a mate case on all my phones, and it's quite a big difference. So this is a quick look and unboxing on Xiaomi Redmi 7, and it's a great phone, a cheap phone, but it doesn't feel that cheap. It's the feeling on this phone, it's, except it's got a plastic back, it's got Gorilla 5.5. It's got Gorilla 5.5, good one. Yeah, it's got Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, and this little dot drop notch with an 8 megapixel camera, which is quite great. And I have to say, I do like this phone, and yeah, we're gonna do a few more videos about this. Probably we're gonna compare with the flagship, the Mi 9. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on a nice video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you again for 100 subscribers, and see you again. See ya.